Hey coders, if you are struggling with efficiency of reading data from large array in smart contracts, fear not, because today I am going to share a trick with you that will make your life a whole lot easier. Reading data from an array in Solidity can be a resource-consuming process, especially when dealing with thousands of elements. But there is another way to do it without using a for loop. Let's take a look at this Solidity code. This is some simple contract called traditional that includes an array of UINT called myArray. Inside the contract, there is a function called getAllData that returns an array of UINT. This function first creates a new array called result with the same length as myArray. Then it uses a for loop to iterate through each element of myArray and copy the value into result. Finally, the function returns the result array. This is a traditional approach for retrieving data from an array in Solidity. However, it can be inefficient, especially when dealing with thousands of elements. This can result in a request being cancelled by nodes, which can be a headache for developers. So in the next part of the video, I will show you a smart and efficient way to retrieve data from an array in Solidity without using a for loop. Stay tuned. So how can we retrieve all the data from an array without using a for loop? It is actually quite simple. First, you need to create a struct that includes an array of the data type you want to retrieve. In this example, we will use address. So we create a struct that includes an array of addresses like this. Next, declare a private variable instance of the struct. To add data to the array, you can simply push the address directly. Now for the trick, to retrieve all the data from the array without using a for loop, simply pass the declared struct as an return type in a function and use memory keyword to specify that it will be stored in memory. So we create a function that returns the struct array, declared struct like this. Let's call the function and put some addresses. And that's it. In the return value, you can see that we get a tuple of addresses. No for loop required. So there you have it, a smart and efficient way to retrieve data from an array in Solidity. Now you can impress your team members with your Solidity skills. Happy coding. Till next time. Goodbye.